Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing only what matters: heat, something thin, and a soft scraper. Warm the sticker evenly for 20-40 seconds so the adhesive becomes pliable. This reduces peel resistance and cut down on paint stress. Once warm, slide fishing line or a plastic razor under an edge and saw gently while pulling the sticker away at a low angle. You use heat to protect paint and the thin tool to separate adhesive without gouging, so move deliberately and watch for lifted paint. Now focus on the sticky residue. Apply an adhesive solvent or isopropyl alcohol, let it soak for about 30-60 seconds so the glue swells and loosens. Then, using a microfiber towel and a plastic scraper, wipe and scrape in overlapping motions. This prevents streaks and minimizes abrasion. If you hit a stubborn patch, reheat briefly and repeat the solvent step. Forcing the sticker risks scratching clear coat. Make sure to change towels when saturated, so you aren't redepositing. Finish by washing the area with car soap to remove solvent residue and any remaining particles. Rinse thoroughly and dry with a clean microfiber. Once dry, lightly polish the surface to blend the finish and apply wax or a paint sealant to restore protection and UV defense. If you notice ghosting, hardened adhesive, or lifted clear coat, stop. Try a clay bar for residue or consult a pro for paint repair. This avoids worsening damage and ensures a safe, long-lasting outcome.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.